KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and welcome to the weekend. Unfortunately, it's going to be a stormy start to the weekend, but by tomorrow afternoon, the weather quiets down. Then on Sunday, we'll see sunshine, but it's going to be a blustery day, feeling more like January than mid-April. We'll talk more about that in just a bit, but first off, let's set the stage. We have this low-pressure system up across the high plains producing blizzard-like conditions, snowfall on the order of 1 to 2 feet from the Dakotas on up through Minnesota overnight tonight, and a trailing frontal boundary that's, by the way, producing the threat of severe weather all the way from Iowa down through Missouri into Arkansas, eastern Oklahoma, and the Arklatex. And late this afternoon, you can see some of the severe thunderstorm warnings that are ongoing right now. In fact, got a couple of tornado warnings going from Mississippi on down into portions of Arkansas, and then right by Texarkana, the severe cell, and more severe cells all the way back through the Texas Hill Country, essentially. Surrounding these areas, the areas outlined in red, these are tornado watches that include the northwestern part of the state. And we do think these watches are not only going to spread eastward, but southeastward across portions of Acadiana and certainly eastern Louisiana by tomorrow morning. In the near term, we do see showers that have popped up nicely across portions of Allen Parish up through Alexandria. Heavier activity showing up toward the Winfield area east of Natchitoches. These storms may go severe later on tonight, so we'll be watching those. But most of Acadiana should be nice and quiet tonight, but not so as we go into tomorrow morning. Here's the storm, the severe storm risk per the Storm Prediction Center for tomorrow. All of Acadiana essentially under a slight risk, a lesser risk to the north and west, but there'll be a slight risk here earlier before daybreak tomorrow. Damaging winds the main threat, but we could see some large hail as well, and maybe a couple of isolated strong tornadoes. And notice eastern Louisiana under the risk, an enhanced risk. That means a 30% chance of an isolated severe storm within a 25-mile radius. So that enhanced risk area, St. Mary Parish, lower St. Martin Parish, extreme eastern Iberia Parish, Iberville Parish, and then points to the east. So we'll take a look at some of the parameters coming up in just a bit, and we'll show you why that's where the highest risk of severe weather will be. Flood watch is in effect east of the Atchafalaya Swamp. That's where the better chance of 3 to 4 to 5 inches of rain will fall. Locally, we're thinking 1 to 2 locally, but could see a couple of hot spots. So here's predictive radar showing the strong showers and storms confined mainly to the central and northern part of the state overnight tonight. This is at midnight. Then we do think we're going to see a squall line developing as we get closer to daybreak tomorrow. We'll have to watch the individual storms out ahead of the squall line. And remember what we're seeing right here, and watch how it evolves. You see the storms beginning to uptick on intensity. These would be the tornado makers. This would be the area where we could see damaging winds if we see any at all. And notice how activity continues to be on the upswing through the mid-morning hours, especially over toward Baton Rouge and points down to the south and west over toward St. Mary Parish. So this is one of the things I showed online and showed earlier, 5 o'clock. It's called helicity. It's the amount of shear as you go in the upper atmosphere and the amount of cyclonic shear as well. So this shows us tornado potential. And notice I have some other indices here. We're looking at the helicity index, and all these numbers are for Lafayette. This is thunderstorm energy. Notice pretty good thunderstorm energy even at midnight tonight. So any storms that get going could be intense, but this is what we're looking at. This is where there's going to be a tornado potential at least through midnight tonight with those storms across northwestern Louisiana. Things quiet down for a while, and then as we get toward tomorrow morning, we see a hot spot developing for the possibility of tornadoes. Again, the squall line is going to be back here, but we could see some individual cells that spin up and could produce a fairly strong tornado, and we're talking maybe stronger than EF1. So that's what we're going to be on the lookout for. We're just going to have, most of us are going to just have strong thunderstorms, but there could be a few severe ones in the mix, so I do look for a severe thunderstorm watch or tornado watch first thing tomorrow morning, and we'll probably see that beginning at 6 a.m. Here's Futurecast in the same spirit of things. Rain and storms likely Lafayette area right around 8 o'clock in the morning or so, and then activity slowly progressing eastward with time. And by tomorrow afternoon, just lingering clouds. It should be quiet, and we may even see the sunset, and then it turns breezy, sharply cooler. Temperatures in the 40s for Sunday morning. Wind chills could be as low as the upper 30s in spots. As for rainfall, it looks like the heaviest rains east of Acadiana. We'll say 1 to 2 for most of us. Isolated areas may see more, and And as you go farther to the east, notice that's where we're going to see the heavier rains over toward eastern Louisiana. So tonight, breezy and mild, a quiet evening overall. Few strong storms very late tonight toward daybreak. 71, 70 the low, 73 the high. We'll be in the 60s for the afternoon, but the main threat, 100% chance of rain and storms. Wind damage the main concern, but we can't rule out an isolated tornado. And maybe some hail up to golf ball or maybe egg size. And then as we go into Sunday, a blustery day, typical for January. Our normal high in January is 43 and the normal low is 44. So there you go. Winter-like day Sunday. Warming up, though, back up to 80 by the middle part of next week. And the next front scheduled for next weekend. Now we're pushing it back to Saturday night. Maybe it goes into Sunday, but we're in a little bit of a pattern right now. Last couple of fronts did produce severe weather, and we were hatched in for a slight to close to an enhanced risk. So I would bet on a couple of severe storms tomorrow.
Right.
Wind damage the main concern. Can't rule out an isolated tornado.
And we'll be staffed tomorrow morning.
Oh, yeah, we got it all set up. We got
Good.
Baker back on duty and
Nice.
Zernick in the morning. I'll be here in the afternoon.
All
so
right.
we'll be ready to go.